switching to the iPhone is because I like the keypad. So I was.
That point you will be able to touch the radio. I watch you.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit the. You gotta hit in between the keys.
So it's always there. The other thing the case does. And by the way, with this on, I told you you can use it with everything. Did I say that? Doesn't block anything?
No, yeah, okay, but got it.
When you pull this down, this opens up for older people the keys. While you're filming it.
Yeah, a little bit with your fingers.
Now, when you do that, you can also hold and take pictures. It's a question.
Yeah.
Why don't you wait?